When was the last time you woke up feeling truly energized? Not just okay, but really alive, ready to take on the day without dragging yourself out of bed. If that feeling seems like a distant memory and you're over 60, it could be a warning sign. Your testosterone levels might have dropped critically, affecting nearly every aspect of your life, and you might not even realize it. Low testosterone isn't just about one thing. It affects your energy, your mood, your muscle mass, your sleep, your mental clarity, and yes, your physical performance. The scary part? Most men don't connect these dots until it's become a serious problem. Here's the first call to action. Hit that like button right now and drop a comment telling me where you're watching from, because what I'm about to share could help you reclaim vitality you thought was gone forever. Here's what most men don't understand. Testosterone doesn't decline just because of age. Lifestyle factors like sleep, diet, stress, and inflammation play a huge role. Many men are losing testosterone faster than necessary, often without realizing it. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and I've spent the last 5 years helping men understand what's happening in their bodies. While testosterone naturally declines about 1% per year after age 30, many men experience sharper drops caused not by age, but by lifestyle choices that are completely within their control. The biggest myth I hear? I'm just getting old. Nothing I do will help. That's simply not true. Some men may need testosterone replacement therapy, but many can naturally improve their levels by addressing root causes: poor sleep, nutrient deficiencies, chronic stress, inflammation, and metabolic dysfunction. Even if medication becomes necessary, lifestyle optimization improves results and reduces dosage. Today, I'll show you 5 warning signs that your testosterone is critically low, plus 5 natural interventions that can boost it by 30 to 50% or more. And stick with me until the end. I'll reveal one habit most men do every day that's secretly destroying testosterone, and stopping it could change everything in just weeks. If you're serious about reclaiming your vitality, subscribe now. You won't want to miss a single detail. Let's start with the hard truth. Testosterone isn't just something that drops with age. Yes, it declines naturally, but lifestyle accelerates the decline. Consider this: poor sleep, high stress, excessive sugar, sedentary behavior, and nutrient deficiencies all act like tiny leaks in a dam. Over years, they drain your testosterone. Biologically, testosterone is responsible for muscle maintenance, fat distribution, energy production, sexual drive, cognitive function. When it drops, these systems falter. Emotionally, it hits hard. Fatigue, loss of confidence, irritability, brain fog, it all builds slowly, silently eroding your life satisfaction. Practically, your routines, relationships, and even simple daily tasks suffer. Lifting groceries feels harder. Morning energy is gone. Motivation is low. The truth most men don't hear: low testosterone isn't inevitable. It's often a symptom of imbalance in lifestyle and physiology. Address those imbalances, and you can restore hormone levels naturally, sometimes dramatically. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, a urologist with 5 years of experience helping men over 60 reclaim their strength and vitality. Here's what I've seen. Most doctors focus on medications. It's not malice, they just aren't trained in nutrition, lifestyle medicine, or natural hormone optimization. The pharmaceutical approach has its place. Some men truly need it. But even if medication is necessary, optimizing sleep, exercise, nutrition, and stress makes it more effective and often allows for lower doses. Here's the inconvenient truth. Your body wants to produce testosterone, it just needs the right conditions. And those conditions? They're often overlooked in conventional care. So today, I'll walk you through 5 warning signs of critically low testosterone. Then we'll dive into 5 natural, research-backed interventions that target the root causes: lifestyle, nutrients, and habits that your body can actually use. If you want to reclaim your energy, strength, and confidence, stay tuned and hit subscribe. Sign number 5, muscle loss and belly fat. Notice your clothes fitting differently? Shirts looser in the chest but tighter around the waist? That's a classic sign. Biology. Testosterone is anabolic. It builds and maintains muscle. Low levels mean muscle loss, while fat, especially around the belly, increases. Belly fat contains aromatase, an enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. The more fat you have, the lower your testosterone gets. A vicious cycle. Emotionally, losing muscle and gaining fat erodes confidence and self-image. Practically, lifting groceries, climbing stairs, even getting up from a chair feels harder. Example: a 63-year-old patient lost 15 pounds of muscle and gained 20 pounds of belly fat. Within 6 months of natural interventions, he regained muscle and lost fat. He said, "I feel strong again." Sign number 4, chronic fatigue despite adequate sleep. You sleep 7 to 8 hours, yet wake up exhausted, energy is gone, motivation is low, everything feels like a drag. Biology. Testosterone supports mitochondrial function, your cell's energy factories. Low testosterone also reduces red blood cell production, lowering oxygen delivery and energy. Emotionally, chronic fatigue is draining, affecting relationships, mood, and mental sharpness. Practically, you cancel plans, avoid activity, and just exist. Example: one patient told me, "I feel like I'm existing, not living." After 3 months of natural interventions, his energy returned. Sign number 3, loss of libido or physical intimacy. Not just occasional disinterest, complete lack of desire. Biology. Testosterone drives libido and supports vascular and nerve function. Without it, desire and physical performance drop. Emotionally, men feel disconnected from their partner, guilty, or anxious. Practically, relationships suffer silently. Example: a 67-year-old patient's wife thought he was cheating. Natural testosterone support restored desire, and their connection improved dramatically. Sign number 2, depression, irritability, or brain fog. Low testosterone affects the brain. Mood swings, cognitive cloudiness, and mental fatigue are common. Biology. Testosterone receptors in the brain regulate mood, motivation, and cognition. Low levels impair neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Emotionally, feeling not yourself is deeply unsettling. Practically, work, relationships, and daily life suffer. Example: one patient's depression didn't improve with medication alone. After addressing testosterone naturally, his mood improved significantly. Sign number 1, physical changes, loss of morning erections or function. Often the first noticeable sign. Biology. Testosterone is critical for blood vessel and nerve function. Low levels reduce nitric oxide production, impairing physical function. Emotionally, confidence, sense of masculinity, and relationships are impacted. Practically, avoidance, anxiety, and frustration develop. Example: a patient presented for loss of function. Blood work revealed critically low testosterone, explaining fatigue, mood changes, and muscle loss. Natural interventions improved all symptoms. Natural interventions to boost testosterone. Number 5, lift heavy weights twice a week. Compound movements like squats, presses, and deadlifts boost testosterone acutely and chronically. 2 sessions weekly is sufficient. Biology. Stimulates hormone production and maintains muscle. Emotionally, builds confidence and vigor. Practically, short, focused sessions yield results. Number 4, prioritize sleep 7 to 8 hours of quality rest. Biology. Deep sleep drives testosterone production. Less than 5 hours nightly reduces testosterone 10 to 15%. Emotionally, restored energy and clarity improve mood. Practically, cool, dark room, consistent schedule, no screens before bed. Number 3, eat healthy fats and cholesterol. Testosterone is synthesized from cholesterol. Include eggs, avocado, fatty fish, nuts, and olive oil. Emotionally, eating fat for hormones builds confidence, not guilt. Practically, balanced meals don't fear natural fats. Number 2, get morning sunlight. 10 to 15 minutes of morning sunlight without sunglasses improves vitamin D, circadian rhythm, and testosterone production. Biology. Vitamin D is linked directly to testosterone synthesis. Emotionally, sunlight lifts mood. Practically, step outside with coffee or a walk, small habit, big impact. Number 1, reduce stress with daily relaxation. 10 minutes of deep breathing, meditation, or gentle stretching daily. Biology. High cortisol suppresses testosterone production. Emotionally, stress management restores calm, confidence, and vitality. Practically, integrate into a morning or evening routine. Bonus, stop daily alcohol consumption. Excess alcohol increases aromatase, converting testosterone to estrogen, Regular heavy drinking can reduce testosterone by 20 to 30%. Practical tip: limit to 1 or 2 drinks per week at most. Your 90-day testosterone practical plan: lift heavy weights twice per week, prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, eat healthy fats and cholesterol-rich foods, get morning sunlight 10 to 15 minutes daily, manage stress with daily relaxation, limit alcohol consumption, track your progress. Energy, mood, libido, sleep, and muscle mass. Your body will respond. Low testosterone isn't a life sentence. Your body wants to produce it, it just needs the right environment. You deserve energy throughout the day, confidence in your body and mind, strong relationships, freedom from fatigue and brain fog. If this video gave you clarity or hope, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more evidence-based guidance. Aging doesn't mean giving up, it means being intentional about your self-care. Small changes lead to big results. You're worth the effort. Take action today. You matter. And yes, you can feel alive again.